All right, everybody. Today we got this here Whirlpool electric dryer. He said it just won't turn on. My prediction is it's a thermal fuse, so let's turn it down and see here. Just take all these screws off. I'm gonna speed run this one. Speed run! What do you guys think? Should we speed run? NASCAR. We're gonna NASCAR. Is that what we're doing? Let's see what I got here. So, okay, so I don't get this very often, but I want you guys to watch this meter reading here. So I'm gonna touch the thermal fuse. And look at that, 1749. So that should be 0. Look what happens when I put them together here. Put them together and it's 10, not 1749. What's weird is usually when I do this, it will be open circuit, but sometimes, every once in a while, oh look at that. When I pull one of the wires off, it shows open circuit. So I don't know why. Every once in a while I get that reading, and it is bad because we see open circuit now, right? But usually, I know you're supposed to pull a wire off and then test it. I know you are. I never do it. I'm surprised none of you have yelled at me for that. But I guess that's why right there. But usually I don't get a reading at all. So. We'll need a new one of those. What else do we got here? So we have the OEM element there. Let's test it and see. We're not grounded. And it is good. Take off this thing here. Oh, we're missing a screw right there. Take those 4 out, and then we need the Phillips for the top here. No bonus lint. He didn't even leave me any bonus lint today. He's probably gonna watch this video and be like, "What's this weird guy talking about bonus lint?" So we're not clogged here. Too bad. There's almost nothing in here. So. Alright, let's put this on here. I'm just going to steal one of the case screws for that for now, and I'll get another screw later. Get another screw for it later. Alright, let's put this fuse in here. I don't know, these things blow all the time. Sometimes they just get old, I think. Other times I think that might be a clogged vent. I don't know. I told the guy about that. I told him I'd text him and let him know too. So I'll text him. Let him know that that's what I found. Pop this off here. Just lift it straight up. take that off. He gave us a free dryer sheet. Free dryer sheet. Okay, so we got the lint in here. We'll vacuum that out real quick, and looks like we'll probably just have to clean these. Clean that one. Alright, I'll just pop this guy off here. It's already the hair spiral there, you know. That's how you know. That's how you know it's good. Right there is the hair spiral. Let's take this triangle here off. Maybe. All right. There you go. Lots of hair. That's a weird noise. Not sure I've ever heard that before. I don't know what's going on. Look at this. You guys hear that noise? Oh, I dropped it. This was like in the seal. Let's see if the noise goes away. Yeah, no more noise, so I guess that was just scratching. Just scratching on the case over there. Okay, let's see if we can film what I'm doing down here. 5/16, 5/16. Plug in the door switch. Okay. Put that down, and we'll put the Phillips back in here. Oh, easy. Easy now. I'm gonna disappear it. I want to drop it down there. It's never coming back. Alright, I'm gonna try to. Alright, so it's on time drive. Back to running. That thermal fuse will cut the motor off. So don't do this. The heater's heating up. Heating up. Sounds pretty good. It's pretty quiet, especially for its age. It doesn't have the thump to it. Some of them get the thump in them. So I mean, it's gonna be a good machine. Sorry, it'll be a good machine. You know, I'll clean it up here a little bit, get some of this brown, like dirt, whatever that is, off there. That should be pretty good. So I'll text that guy and then clean it up, test it, and send it out. Thanks for watching, everybody. Have a great day. Let me know what you think about this one below.